Sunday, April 23rd, 2023. Probably 4 o'clock. High 60s, low 70s. Back through the woods, you looking towards the creek, you can see the van just a little bit. We're here at Pine Log Wildlife Management Area. Probably the last video we get unless we come back tomorrow. The state of Georgia has lost the lease on Pine Log, and I think it'll be closing April 30th. And this land is probably going up for sale for logistics centers. If anyone knows a very rich philanthropist that would love to buy this land and keep it as a wildlife management area, preserve it, wouldn't that be nice? I know some of y'all know somebody that's got the money to do it. Save this land from logistics centers and warehouses. I've got longer videos, and I have videos and still pictures of inside the furnace looking up the stack, but the furnace is not as stable as it used to be, so we're not going in there today. I did put the Osmo on the selfie stick about 5.5 feet and ran it in, so we'll see what we get with it. Walk down to the creek, take a peek at the creek. I've got rattlesnake videos here. This is a gorgeous piece of property. It'd be a shame. It's going to be a shame. I don't see anybody stepping up to save it. These rocks are slick. I mean, they are slick. This water is cold. We've already got a temperature on it. I think it's 48, 47 degrees. $51 up here. That's interesting. We're recording with the Osmo, the Samsung S22 Ultra, 1920 by 1080. Now, I saw some of these online the other day talking about what they were, but I've forgotten what they are. Well, we're here at the furnace. Looks like it was last time we were here. I don't know that I want to get up underneath there this time. I would like to get this camera up in the stack though, but I'm not going to go up in there this time. Let me see how it looks around here. It's a little better, but I don't know. Is it worth it? You can see the drain from where the I guess that would be where the pig iron came out. It would drain out here on the ground and then cool. I'm just guessing though. I'm not a pig iron furnace expert. This was 1860s era, maybe a little bit sooner. There are at least two more on this property. One's supposed to be in better shape than this one. The other one, the one up at the main entrance, has about had it. It's almost all rubble. Some pretty photography though, isn't it? I've got some good photography looking up that stack, but I just don't know that I want to. We might be able to get close enough to stick it up underneath here. Ooh, those rocks are heavy, folks. We will do you in if one comes loose. See the brickwork? Right, interesting. That piece of iron, I guess it was a lintel. It doesn't come all the way across though, so I don't know, it may have been something different. Well, I guess this is probably going to be the last time we're in Pine Log, as state's losing its lease, and I'm pretty sure it's going up for sale. And this area in White, Georgia, has become one of the hot logistics areas. Everything. There's so much warehouse logistics stuff going on up here. It is unreal. All the way from Cartersville up to Chattanooga. We're going to get some still pictures. I've always loved this one, this old furnace. We're going to see if there's another little, maybe a deeper pool upstream here to get the Osmo back in. People are fishing downstream. I'd like to get the fly fish back in here, wade in with it instead of just, yeah, see, it's starting to separate. This furnace is not near as stable as it was when I first found it. Yeah, just look at these ferns. I have never seen ferns like this. As much as I've roamed the woods, I've never seen this before. Look how pretty this is. You can get a different perspective. I'm gonna have to get the Osmo and do some different perspectives with this. Get it out of my back pocket. Let's look at all these ferns we found. I haven't seen any like this before. I guess there's a flower in there. Maybe the wind will pollinate the spores? I need someone that knows about this to fill me in, because I am curious as to what is going on with these flowers, spores, spore stalks, whatever they are. I need to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Little bitty tiny ones. Boy, that's going to be a shame to lose this wildlife management area. Five years from now, this is going to be paved over. Creek will be under the ground in tunnels, and you'll have logistics centers all over the place. But we'll have video before. Ooh, you talking about some healthy poison ivy. Oh, if y'all want to itch, if you want to itch and you want to twitch, you just grab hold of that and rub it on you. Oh man. Look at those ferns. Aren't they absolutely awesome?